Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find cashback on your RetailMeNot app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you to find this list on your app. So all you have to do inverse. You just go down here, you click here on cashback back, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all cashback. So cashback deals here, you will find it. Can you get it when you just click on it of this here? So that's all you have to do to get your cashback. That's all. I wish you know you I give it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.